I'm Roger Olsen. I'm very proud to be the inventor of Artus, the new air conditioning technology from Artus Air Limited. My motivation for creating Artus was to help solve one of society's greatest challenges, to reduce the amount of energy we all consume. Artus is also a great solution for many other reasons and can be used in residential, commercial and healthcare settings. It gives ultra-low energy consumption, saving 89% for fan energy and saving 60% for heating and cooling alone. It also provides greater thermal comfort. Artus provides even air distribution with no drafts and precision temperature control. It also offers reduced noise, better aesthetics. It comes as a fully packaged solution and it's much better for maintenance because it's self-access. Artus is slim and compact and uses 90% less ceiling area and 60% less depth than the standard fan coil solution. That means we could save enough height in a 12-storey building to have space for an extra floor. So here at the Bermondsey Innovation Centre for Grosvenor Estates, we're trialling Artus units for use in the offices and the Building F residences. As you can see, we're using the exposed surfaces industrial chic look. Artus not only saves massive amounts of energy and carbon, but actually costs less than conventional systems. We're also going to be trialling the multi-service unit, which has Artus and lights and sound absorption all in one unit. All of this has a very different look and feel, so you can see why we're so excited about Artus for Grosvenor.